We will discuss the functionality of artifacts and art objects in Southeast Asia. Wayang Kulit is an extremely important vehicle of culture, serving as carrier of myth, morality play, and form of religious experience rolled into one. The purpose of this art form is to educate its audience in moral and religious philosophy and to entertain. Batik was worn in the past by kings and royal family members. They are used daily because it was a king's clothing that was believed to bring prosperity and protection. Modern batik is used in numerous items such as murals, wall hangings, paintings, household linen, and scarves with livelier and brighter patterns. The merlion is the national personification of Singapore. Adding the fishtail to the statue signifies the Singapore's humble beginnings as a fishing village. Wat Pho is one of the most important Buddhist temples in Thailand. It was a temple where the art of Thai massage was developed. Wat Pho was the first public university in Thailand, specializing in religion, science, and literature. It is now more well known as a center for traditional massage and medicine. Songkok is part of Malay traditional attire for men. It is commonly worn during ceremonial functions such as royal court functions, attending an audience ceremony from Sultan, official ceremonies such as National Day celebrations, convocation ceremony, and etc. Vietnamese silk paintings typically showcase the countryside, landscapes, pagodas, historical events, or scenes of daily lives. The lantern provides light. Light in its context helps lead the way forward towards the future and pushes aside the surrounding darkness, where long path before us is useless without the light from the lantern to show us the way. Make sure to remember the functions of artifacts and art objects in Southeast Asia, specifically for wayang kulit, batik, merlion, wat pho, songkok, silk painting, and sky lantern.